Hi, I'm Sean Jackson, and I want to show you how to use your new Thinkers Notebook and the app.
First, at the top of each page in your notebook is the Smart Box. Use it to add the title of your notes. I also recommend you add a hashtag, something we will discuss in a separate video. Next, go ahead and start writing your notes in the space below. We recommend you write clearly using either block letters or cursive. Just make sure you can read it easily. You are now ready to capture your pages. Place your notebook on a dark colored background and use the bookmark ribbon to mark the page. Once done, open the Thinkers app to help you organize your notes. Create a new folder in the app. Once your folder is created, tap the Capture button and tap Notebooks. Position your camera over the notebook and the app will automatically capture the page. Tap the Save button when done. You will see that the title of the note in the app is the same as the title on the page. Even better, your handwriting has been converted into text that can be searched. Finally, if you added a hashtag, your notes are now tagged in the app. If you'd like to change the contrast or crop the image, just tap it. And if you need to edit the note, tap the triple dots on the right. Once done, tap the back button and your notes are now in your new folder. If you'd like to search for your notes, tap the search bar at the top of the notes screen and enter a keyword. The app will display all notes that match your query, including the text from your handwriting. But there's more. If you'd like to share the note, just open it on your phone and tap the share icon. You can now send a URL to anyone so they can view and comment on the note. Even better, you can share the entire folder so anyone with the link can easily see and comment on your notes.
We hope you're excited to use your new Thinkers Smart Notebook. But we're here to serve you, so if you need any help, please visit our support site at support.thinkersnotebook.com. Thank you for being a customer.